In this short tutorial, I will show you how to change the ringtone on your Samsung smartphone. Changing your ringtone can give your phone a personal touch and help you identify incoming calls more easily. With just a few simple steps, you can have a new ringtone that suits your preferences in no time. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down a bit, and tap Sounds and Vibration. After that, tap Ringtone. All you have to do next is tap and select one of these sounds. Just scroll down and tap on any of these sounds, and it will give you a little preview of what they are going to sound like. If you like it, you can select it, and your ringtone will be changed to that sound. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.